of Dueñas, Carrington, Balantayan. The next entry is from Bototan, Iloilo, only managed by Mr. Jovito Rosario Anzores. The rest of the family of Team Soccer. Wala? Testing lang na sige, testing lang na. Okay, once again, JRA, just come over for the sound test before we can make official music.
This is JRA Pro Audio of Bototan, Iloilo, only managed by Mr. Jovito Anzores. This is DJ Mark Pinapore Remix.
Minisan na ito na? Ini o? Oo. Grabe yun tayo. Grabe no? Masyado yan.
Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this entry, pakilala natin, the Hurricane Supplier from Bungko, Bototan, Iloilo. Only managed by Mr. Jovito Rosario Anzores, that is JRA Audio Mobile or JRA Just Go Mobile from Bototan, Iloilo. That chief technician is one of the Matanos and legendary na nagdala sang Seren Vega na soundbox design dari sa siyudad kag panin sa probinsya sang Iloilo. Ang iyang amay, Mr. Bonifacio Batit Azizor and Mr. Drop Azizor and the rest of the family sang Team Soccer from Bototan. Ladies and gentlemen, next entry, JRA Just Go Mobile.
JRA, basta taga Bototan, hindi matantan. Mix Club.
Boy, I can see the way you want to move that body. I know it's crazy, but I feel like you could be the one that I've been chasing in my day. Boy, I can see you're looking at me like you want it. But you chilling at my girl, never looked into
This is DJ Mark Pinapore of my own Mix Club. Asisor Electronic Center. DJ Mark, Big Floor, Remix. Mix Club, Mix Club. JRA. This is DJ Mark, the floor of Marine Mix Club. Asisor Electronic Center. This is DJ Mark, Big Floor by DJ Rao, Remix, Remix. Asisor Electronic Center, Electronic Center. Asisor Electronic Center, Electronic Center. All men are created wow, only the best are born. And remember, this is DJ Mark, performed by DJ Rao, Remix. JRA.